very first paragraph for sure? Okay. So who can tell me what Pangea was? Derek?
There was one solid landmass that eventually turned into what continents we have today.
Yep, very good. And so, how did it break apart? What was the word that was in that first paragraph? So Charlie?
Continental drift.
Continental drift. Okay, very good. So, how do you think that would affect biogeography that we have today? If we forget what biogeography is.
Like when species would be they'd be spread out along Pangea, like when it drift apart, like their groups of species would just be together in one continent.
Yeah, pretty much. So we're gonna kind of act that out so that you guys can see it in person. So you guys can all come up here and we'll go around these pieces of paper. So you guys can walk up. Okay, so these pieces of paper we're gonna say are different plates in the earth. So if you remember, there's a sentence that said it in your book, but this is what they look like. You can see here's like North America, North America is here, and South America, so you see these different colors. Those are all the different plates under the earth. So that's kind of what these are. So, this is our Pangea, where they're all stuck together, all of our continents. So, but there are some animals on here, right? So, who wants to be an animal?
Me.
Okay, you can. Okay, why don't you stand on that yellow piece of paper? Okay. Okay, and Leslie, you can be another one. So you can go over on the orange piece. Right there. Okay, so our continents move, right when these guys kind of appear. So, who wants to move them? Molly, you can go ahead and move some of the continents. So you guys might have to get off the pieces of paper. Oh, not too far. Not too far. Just a little way. Just go back a little. Right. There. So, if these spaces in between our continents are, we'll say they're big streams. Big streams or rivers. Do you think those two can still mate? If they can get over the river?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Okay. So time goes on, and we'll say that Hunter here became a marsupial. So he has a little pouch to carry his
girl?
Guess so. Okay. And then Leslie learned how to attract mates. But she changed colors, and we'll say she has a big tail that she can put out like a peacock. Okay? So that attracts you. But there's these plates also called earthquakes. So there's another bunch of earthquakes, and so the land masses moved a little farther. So Daniel, do you want to move them this time? Go ahead. Just move back a little bit farther. Okay. So let's say these gaps have gotten a lot bigger, and now they're like big seas that are 10 miles apart. Do you think that they'll be able to mate with each other now? Do you think? No. Right? So if that happens, why wouldn't there be any marsupials over where Leslie's at? Because they can't mate, and that trait can't get passed on. And so why wouldn't there be any blue-tailed animals over where Hunter's at?
Because they can't mate over there with the species without help.
Right. So say that they cover just about this much room on their continent. How would they spread out to cover the whole land area? Because there's animals all over the earth, right? Does anyone have any ideas? Daniel, you have any ideas? No. No? Okay. Any guesses? How do animals get around? They walk around, right? That could be one way they got around, right? What about swimming? They could have swam around. Fly. They could have flown. Right, you guys have some good ideas. So what I want you to do now is go back and look in your book and see exactly those different ways are. You guys have a good half of them.